Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Rockhard 4x4 tow bar brackets. Now we build a couple different versions here. Right now I have in my hand 3 different versions. Now we can also build some to accommodate you as a consumer, because we offer in-house laser cutting, we offer in-house bending and stuff, so we can weld up design as far as if you have a particular type of tow bar that one of our brackets that are pre-made doesn't work. Now currently the one I'm holding in my hand, this is for a blue ox setup. And on a blue ox setup you'll have a 3-finger setup with a 1/2-inch pin. Normally it's around 9/16 in between or 5/8 in between the two. But you'll notice on your blue ox that you'll have a 3-finger, and this is pretty common using the 1/2-inch pin on a blue ox setup. The tow bar bracket that we have here in this hand, this is for a Reese, and it also has a 1/2-inch pin, but the spacing is quite a bit different. So this will accommodate most of the Reese tow bars that are out on the market. We also offer one more here, and this is called the RoadMaster or All-Terrain, and it has a 3/4-inch pin, and the spacing here is a little wider also. But if you let us know what type of tow bar you have, pretty much Rockhard 4x4 has a bracket for you. Now all of our brackets are designed for the tow bars that actually fold down to your towing vehicle. So, sometimes the towing vehicle is called a toad, and the Y of the tow bar will come down and mount right into our brackets. Now the nice thing about the Rockhard 4x4 bracket system is it's mounted right onto the end of the bumper, which is actually mounted right to the end of the frame. Because what we're doing is we're only sandwiching the bumper in between the frame and the bracket. So we're legally towing right off the end of the frame, which is what is required on the newer vehicles. Now, these brackets come with longer bolts so that you can just bolt them simply through the bumper onto the end of the frame and go ahead and connect your tow bar up to it. Make your ease of towing your vehicle very simple. To install the Rockhard 4x4 tow bar bracket onto the frame, now this particular one is a blue ox, whether you're using the blue ox, the Reese, the Demco, or the RoadMaster All-Terrain, they all install the same. Now you can install them on the lower or on the upper location, and this depends on the vehicle that you're towing your Jeep with. You want to keep your tow bar somewhat level, or up or down at least 3 to 3.5 inches is still allowed by most tow bar manufacturers. You're going to put the tow bar bolts through the front of the bumper, put the spacer on the inside, and go ahead and install the nut and washer on the back side of the frame. With your tow bar brackets, you're going to get 2 different lengths of bolts. Those brackets are designed to work not only on the JK bumper, but they'll also work on our TJ bumpers and some of our others. So we provide you with different lengths bolts. The longer ones will always be used on the Jeep JK, the shorter ones will be used on our RH-4010 TJ front bumper. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten down the bumper to the end of the frame using a 3/4-inch end wrench on the inside and a 5/16 or an 8mm Allen wrench on the outside.